How to install Instagram on PC or laptop. On your PC, you can install Instagram simply by Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store on your device and go to the search bar on the top. Search for Instagram and look for the app. On the first page only, you will see the Instagram app. Click on it. Now it is absolutely free to download. You can click on Get and the downloading process will begin. If somewhere this process is not working on your device or you don't want to download from Microsoft Store, you can even do this process. You can create a shortcut of your Instagram website. Open instagram.com and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will land to the home page of Instagram. On the top, click on the search bar. Now this is the address. Simply copy this address, and once you have copied it, go back and right click, select the new option and click on shortcut. Once you do that, then on this menu, paste the link, then click on next and finally click on finish, and just like that your shortcut has been created. That's all for today. Thank you.